Hi, I'm Chef George Mendez and I'm the owner and executive chef of Ohio Japanese Comfort Food. I also have Tadeo Filipino-Mexican Comfort Food, which is located in Quezon City. I also have other concepts like Bird Tubs and Hatch Manila, which is located also in Quezon City as well. I've been a chef for 10 years and doing a food consultancy for quite a while. At this very moment, I'm very excited because I'll be using world-class quality and reliable Koizumi kitchen appliances. So join me and let's create a delicious yet very easy recipes using Koizumi small kitchen appliances. Hi guys, welcome to another Koizumi baking series. If you have any suggestions, just comment down below and we will try to recreate it for you. And our recipe for today is Calamansi Cake. So the ingredients for Calamansi cakes are butter, baking powder, calamansi juice, flour, egg, vanilla extract, salt, milk, white sugar, and for our meringue, 2 egg whites, and half cup of white sugar. So first step, just like the usual, mix lang natin yung lahat ng dry ingredients, flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. So mix. Next step, mix naman natin lahat ng wet ingredients. So eggs, vanilla extract, milk, butter, and calamansi juice. And then we will mix it lang with our dry ingredient. Until smooth, pero wag naman natin yung overbeat. Then transfer natin yung mixture natin sa multi-cooker. So by the way guys, Koizumi multi-cooker is very compact, very easy to use with 2.5 liters capacity. Metal uses aluminum alloy, good durability and corrosion resistant. And that's it. Cover. Just like before, press rise and start. So okay na yung calamansi cake natin. Let's take a look. Yeah. Cool down muna and then chiller. Tapos later, we'll add meringue on top and torch it. So for our calamansi cake, we need to make our meringue muna. Syempre by mixing our egg whites and white sugar. So first step, so pag ganyan medyo bubbly na yung egg whites natin, that's the time na mag-add tayo ng white sugar gradually. Since okay na yung meringue natin, lagay na natin siya on top of our calamansi cake. So now let's plate our dish. Let's get our plate in our Koizumi dish dryer. So this is it, our calamansi cake.